We only sippin' drink out the double cup. I pull up to the bank, then I double up. I pull up in that Benz or the other truck. And if she got some friends that can fuck with us, you better get your bag, nigga, hustle up. You better get your weight and your muscle up. I'm really from the hood, who is you though? Who the fuck is you? I pull up to the plug in the two-door. All my money blue, you ain't new hoe? Blue money. Trap and hit the booth, I can do both. Smoking GG, bitch, that gorilla glue. I be with robber drug dealers and some killers too. I got so many hoes, I can pick and choose. She ain't my main thing, she my jigaboo. She be off the addy in the jigger too. These haters, they be ducking, playing pickaboo. I ain't got the flu, but I'm sick of you. I'm really thinking how I'ma get rid of you. MP show you what this trigger do. CP really got a nigga through. You talking about the bags, I can get a few. I been had swag, that ain't nothing new. Put a brick on the stove, watch it bubble up. Got the whole block jumping like it's double cup. We only sippin' drink out the double cup. I pull up to the bank, then I double up. I pull up in that Benz or the other truck. And if she got some friends that can fuck with us, you better get your bag, nigga, hustle up. You better get your weight and your muscle up. Pull up, watch everybody dip. I'm up, but I ain't giving everybody shit. I put that on my mama, we got a whole lot of clips. I put that on Obama, we got a whole lot of chips. Brody got the llama that'll knock your head off. I'm too busy trying to get this bread, dog. You don't want no smoke, boy, your money too small. Forty make an op leap like a bullfrog. You gon' probably make it in another lifetime. Your rollie don't tick, how you got the right time? I was in the back, now I'm in the limelight. They listen to my raps and they say I rhyme tight. I be in the trap trying to bag it up tight. Big deals first, I'ma stack it up right. Get the calculator, I'ma add it up twice. You ain't never worried cause you packing something light. Put a brick on the stove, watch it bubble up. Got the whole block jumping like it's double cup. We only sippin' drink out the double cup. I pull up to the bank, then I double up. I pull up in that Benz or the other truck. And if she got some friends that can fuck with us, you better get your bag, nigga, hustle up. You better get your weight and your muscle up.